So my CNC pin machine is required 2-pin limit switch. It is the jack is 2-pin, but which I order that limit switch is different like this, and also it is open any metal piece on it, so it will mislead the machine and it will stop. So I will change the switch with this one or this one, which is suitable. I can fix there. I will fix like this, and for that I need to buy this cable like this 2-pin, but which I already added. It is 3-pin and I don't have this too many pins. I need 6 pins. So what I will do, I will modify this pin for me. So I will remove one cable and cut this jack, even though it is not proper way, but the thing is which you have, use that available. So I will press this lock from the pin and remove the pin from here. Then I will cut with small cutter. I will cut like this from here. Then I will check with this one. Okay, you know, only the thing is it is having one lock. Normally it is having, you can see, 2 locks. So it is having one lock, but the thing, I have only this option. I don't want to go to market to buy new one, so I will use this one. Okay, even though one lock, but it is locked, I can use it.